In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve or fix if your Bluetooth is not working on your ASUS laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for troubleshoot. Best result should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then on the right side, select where it says additional troubleshooters. And then find and fix other problems. Select the Bluetooth, find and fix problems with Bluetooth devices, and go ahead and run that troubleshooter. Make sure your devices are discoverable on your network, and then just proceed with this utility, and then hopefully your issue should be resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.